At Safaricom, environmental responsibility is foundational. It is reflected in how we operate every day, powering cleaner networks, restoring ecosystems, and advancing circular practices that move us closer to our sustainability commitments and to a more resilient future. On climate action, we are scaling practical, measurable solutions. By financial year 2030, we aim to power 5,000 sites with solar power systems and source 95% of our network energy from green power. This financial year, we are strengthening the foundations of delivery. We are revalidating our net zero target, identifying climate risks and opportunities, reducing power outages across our network, leveraging climate finance solutions, and transitioning sites to free cooling. We are also deepening our circular economy agenda. Our targets include 20% year-on-year growth in device collection, repair, and recycling. And by financial year 2030, we aim to achieve 100% reuse, resale, or recycling of network waste, and 100% recycling or repurposing of solid waste. We continue to invest in biodiversity and ecosystem restoration. By financial year 2030, our ambition is to restore 5,000 hectares, grow 5 million trees, and sequester 100,000 tons of carbon dioxide equivalent. This progress is already visible. We have planted 3 million trees, restored more than 22,000 hectares across 8 counties, engaged thousands of community members, and powered 1,432 base stations with renewable energy. This World Environment Day, our message is simple. Sustainability is central to how we build, grow, and serve. At Safaricom, we are committed to doing our part for people, for nature, and for the planet. Happy World Environment Day. Safaricom, popote ulipo.